Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Air Lite Double full arch door today. Pardon for all the noise, but we have a new showroom going up and it's hectic. Okay, so we're on the Air Lite door today. This is a 72 by 96 inch door. Our measurements measure from exactly from the outside to outside 72 inches, from all the way to the top to all the way to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. Now, this door is being featured in a frost glass. We also have it in low-E glass that we stock. You can also choose from different glass types if needed on our special order site. Reed glass looks awesome. It's amazing. We've actually done a project with all of it in the office. Okay, what makes this door different? Air Lites, 4-inch jambs, guys. They come with 4-inch jambs, standard. Some are 6 inches. Just pay attention to the jam size. I'm saying it on video, so it's verbally said, and you'll see it on the actual description. As small as we can get these guys, we've done so far. This is a large piece of glass, very heavy piece of glass. This is 5/8 thick, 1/4 inch thick on each glass. Outside is either low-E, frost, or whatever you want, and inside is clear glass. Bottom threshold is removable. This piece is removable. It bolts in from the sides. You can use this door on interiors, interior use, office use, wine cellars, bedroom doors, commercial buildings. You can start using these things on. So it's endless on what you can do with this series. Removable threshold can be done to other doors if needed. Endless. It's all handmade, guys. So you will see a little bit of imperfections here and there. Like, you know, it's not much, but you will have a little bit of imperfections. They're all handmade. But that gives us an edge on creativity on what all the stuff we can do to it. Super stoked on this, and I think this Air Lite's gonna do really well with us. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the interior side of the Air Lite door. Notice it's got a bottom swipe. So if you like, you can remove that if you're gonna be using an interior, like an interior door or office doors, a room separation, whatever you're gonna use it for. You can remove that if you probably don't need it then. Also, all the doors have this little gold piece on top is a grease nipple. This is what you use to actually lubricate the hinges. They screw off. You don't want them on there. You can take them off. You can leave them on. You can use a magic marker to paint them if you don't like them. We don't paint them. We leave them like this. Just so that if you do use a grease gun, the paint doesn't chip off of it. But that's the reason why we do it. Removable threshold, guys. I keep stressing this. This is actually a humongous factor in this door. Never been done before, and now we're stocking this so you can have it with the threshold, without the threshold. It's crazy how many different applications you can use this door for. Again, comparable to a aluminum door or wood door. That's probably the question that people are thinking. Why am I going to spend? Patrick, how much is this door? How much is a 72 by 96?
How much is it?
Yeah.
7296?
Yeah.
3864.
So a lot of people question, hey, why am I going to spend, you know, a little bit over $3,000 to buy this door when you can buy a wood door for $2,000, let's say, or an aluminum door for 2,500 bucks. Let's just assume. Reason why is if you're into this kind of stuff, 2 inches, wood and aluminum, 4 to 6 inches. What is that equal out to? You take out 4 to 6 inches from each side. 4 to 6 inches on each side. That's how big your glass is. Look how much bigger your glass is. It's so much more sexier once this is actually put in and drywalled in, and then all the materials pop. And that's the most beautiful thing about these things. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on this door today. If you guys have any comments, please drop them below or write them below, and we'll get to them. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677, or you can reach us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com. Thank you guys.